a phone. LC12KTU. In his right hand, down by his right knee. And of course there's a very good chance we'll catch up if we stay on the same route, because this road is often congested. What a piss poor overtake. Mate, you couldn't plan a piss up in a brewery. Yeah, oh dear. You're holding a phone, I can see the screen's lit up.
Sorry?
Carry on. It's a crime. It's a road traffic offence. Carry on. You're not allowed to hold it, mate. That piss up in a brewery comment that was directed to the old guy in the car at the back of the queue, overtaking when there's absolutely no point in doing so.